SprayWay glass cleaner review. Oh my goodness, SprayWay SW-050 glass cleaner. Really cool look to it. This is my review. You got the old timey, the housewife. She's out there cleaning. Very cool. Very good. I never thought I'd be this excited about some glass cleaner. Send me something to review. Got a P.O. box just for you. Send me anything. Wacky flavored sodas. Awesome beads. Super hot sauce, a burrito blanket, pictures of your wife. I'll review whatever you send me and give you a shout out. Mail me something from your house or send it from your favorite website. Oh my goodness, I just picked this glass cleaner up from AutoZone and I'm blown away. And it smells so good, it smells old timey. It smells like grandma. SprayWay freaking works. The can feels like it's going to last forever the way it sprays. I'm going to show you right here on this dirty window. Look at how wide this sprays, the coverage. It's going to help last for a very long time. I'm going to go ahead, we're going to wipe this window off. Crystal freaking clear. You can see my ugly self in here. Holy cow. It is awesome. It is streak free. It even smells good if you like your glass to smell good. You guys, go out and pick this up. Clean your car, clean your windows in the house, your mirrors. SprayWay glass cleaner, 2 thumbs up. I will never buy a different glass cleaner again. Take my word for it. Ryan for Silly Reviews, have you used this? Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. What has been your experience? Go out and try it. Come back, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about